Introducing the 2016 INFINITI QX60. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Take a moment to view this family-friendly INFINITI QX60, the premium three-row luxury SUV that prioritizes comfort, safety, and performance so you can make the most of your time on the road. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, backup camera, power liftgate, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, heated front seat, third row seat. Let luxury inspire your adventures when you're in this well-appointed QX60. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.